Uline's bulk storage racks are designed to efficiently hold and store heavy, bulky items with shelf capacity of up to 3,000 pounds, providing cost-effective storage space, reducing clutter, and keeping items safely off the floor. Specifically for hand loading, our bulk storage racks are ideal for storing records, heavy supplies, and bulky equipment. Boltless, fast snap-in construction makes these shelves easy to assemble and quickly put together using only a rubber mallet to assist in firmly setting the shelves. Bulk storage racks also come with safety plugs that can be used for additional security if desired. Heavy-duty 14-gauge steel welded uprights and cross braces provide maximum strength, and two decking options offer versatility to fit every application. The 5/8-inch thick particle board shelf has a smooth, solid surface, eliminating item fall-through, while the mesh wire decking option helps prevent dirt and dust buildup and maximizes fire sprinkler efficiency. Starter units come in three heights: 72, 96, and 120 inches, each with three shelves. Each shelf has up to 4 center supports and is adjustable in 2-inch increments. Additional shelves are available to easily customize shelving to fit your exact requirements. Add-on units are also available and include 3 shelves and 1 steel upright, allowing you to extend storage capacity as needed. Print shops, mail rooms, shipping departments, manufacturing plants, retailers, maintenance shops. Whatever your business is, you can rely on Uline to solve your storage shelving needs.